Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot.
I would really appreciate if when you guys watch my vlogs, if like sometimes at least share them, let your friends know about it, and let's see if I can reach 100 by Friday. Goals.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
Hello again, good morning, team Ismash. I'm sorry for this, poor intro, but it is what it is at times. Go into this pool thingy if you do something with the church, and hope you enjoy some of these random short clips I'm gonna include in this vlog. And yeah, let's get it, boy. Let's get it. Nikon, come up.
Yeah. Come. Morning.
Nikon them now, but I come.
So oh, good morning everyone. Good morning.
Night.
So me ask you a question, my youth.
What that?
Eh?
When?
When me when look up for your message.
Alright. You're about 1 year older than me.
Who me?
I'm 17 and
I'm coming this
And if I'm Xbox, I come this side. Tell me go on the next
Pilgrim. I don't know him
You
go.
must go up on the next side.
I don't know him go. Old Pilgrim. Old Pilgrim. Youth!
Really?
Well, I've got glad.
You know the beach you're going. Everybody goggles now, but a mask that.
Mask on.
And goggles.
There's nothing to see except the bottom of the pool.
Cool, right. You need this like ocean, brother. Now you have to go, you swim.
You can't content field vlogs either.
Never know say so weak when you come on this.
Nick one. You swim too? Just not come never know, man. You need to go around here.
A big fish.
He's on the right, you know.
So on the right, you want the left or the right, Rasta? You want the left or the right?
Squeezing.
Nikon, you want the left or the
Oh,
right?
it's you! Because somebody was there and never
You don't get the
see
joke, sorry. You don't get the joke.
Woo! I remember now. I can come back for you. Tell you what, Paul, I have to come back up there for...
Bad man alone with tongue tap and sexy man alone with tongue tap and all that.
What do you want me to do here? So we can
Expose. You want? You never wear no shorts because you're not a sexy body, dog. You want gym life. Alright, too much people there. Especially with my sexy body. No, nobody see my sexy body. Something like that.
Oh. Wish, yes.
No, I want smaller looking something like that.
Nice to see you. Hi, everybody.
Hola.
How are you?
Good.
Hold on.
Okay.
So,
Okay, we're going to get everybody registered. This is Anika, and she's going to get up. Please,
You.
I've been working all morning. Get everybody registered, and then we're going to go inside.
good thief in the night.
Oh, this sounds so boring.
Wow.
That's an even message, you know. Oh, with the Wi-Fi. Sorry about that. The driver did come down, and the other guy that you saw was coming up here, and they got him.
Oh, Friday has to meet me. How that, John, man? How that, John? Like a thief in the night. Let's get this party started. Party within. Whisper is a lion. What them something anymore again?
Pomegranate.
Then can eat, don't you?
Yeah. Shut up.
Right. Like a thief in the night.
Yeah,
a charger?
No, I never bring my charger. That's the exact one I want to bring it.
Bring mine, man.
Bring her, it's good. You know, so the USB not really work, it get trouble. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to want
look at
you plug in yours in a mine
yes.
and see if a my port
yeah.
or a your cable.
Just
you understand?
Better. Whoa, wait,
Wow,
just get
good
a
view.
man.
Wow. What a view. You know, so I'm gonna live somewhere up here, so do. No, seriously, no man allow me. I mean, I'm gonna not live but move. I'm gonna move somewhere up here, so seriously. Further up. Yeah, I'm gonna do some business up here, so can't wait. Cause immediately I'm gonna see me. Yeah, if all go well. Video.
Just say something real quick for the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, see me?
Yeah.
So we're in the hills of Ode, Karagat and Orange. One of them places. And as you can see, the view is what now? I'm trying to find a word. No.
Epic.
Scenic. Very scenic. And yeah, just like to enjoy the day and say, you know what the day holds. Team Ismash, the best team in the league, you know? I didn't see shallow pool.
No diving.
No diving, man. 6 feet.
Only 6 feet.
Weak, man. Cause I remember just always out there. So.
Yeah, we're gonna always out there. I want a 20-foot.
20-foot pool.
22 feet.
Ooh, what's it?
Oh, shoot. This is beautiful. It's a cactus. Tuna.
Okay, tuna. Ooh, that juke. Wait.
Hush.
I see her right through your window.
You saw me? Oh my gosh. She saw us. That's what she saw us. Hey guys, come back. And yeah, this is what you get for messing with the tuna right there. You see the tuna right? Yeah, it's right here. He's just messing with it. Now it's scratching him.
That's him.
The pipe.
Try to use a knife and come to or something. Sharp. Do that enough time.
A knife? Are you kidding me?
What an anything.
Yeah, what
There he goes, washing all his toes.
Bruh.
Your rhymes in the make it stop.
You think? Don't get stung. Look at him.
You original don't move. Show them me. Show them. Alright, man.
Never built.
Ready.
Alright, everybody say interchange!
Alright, good morning, peeps. I'm going to conclude this vlog right now. It's about what time? It's about approximately 9 a.m. on Tuesday the 24th of May. I'm going to conclude this vlog right now. I appreciate all who have reached this far in the vlog, and yeah, look out for the next vlog on Monday next week. I look a cast. Yeah, so look out for the next vlog on Monday. On Monday, you'll get vlogs every single day for 2 weeks. Then it will go back to like a regular schedule. I want to do it every 2 days from now on. No, after the 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks worth of continuous vlog for every day, I want to, do a vlog every 2 days. And I have a surprise for y'all. Just watch out. So I said thanks to everybody who has been watching my vlogs. Truly appreciate it. I know some people in particular, but you know what I mean? So Team Ismash are the best team, So adios fam.